Echo. You are 5-9 plus 20 in the Delaware this evening, 5-9 plus 20. And I have your call as Michael 0, Yankee, Kansas, Sierra. It's QSL.
Excellent stuff, Bob. Thank you very much for the fantastic report. And I've got you about 5 and 7 at the moment. Not quite as strong coming back, but very nice quiet band, so sounding like a 5x9, Bob. And I've got the call as Kilo X-Ray 3 United Papa. Kilo X-Ray 3 Uniform Papa. And Delaware is the location. Great to hear you, Bob. And we're in the north of England, not far from the city of Bradford. 400 watts into a small Cushcraft MA5B, beaming in your direction, Bob. Nice sounding station, and back to you, KX3 UP, this is M0YKS, over.
Roger, M0YKS, this is KX3 UP. Your equipment's done a fine job for you. My station's pretty basic. I have an ICOM 7300 running barefoot into 40 meter off center fed dipole that's up about 10 meters. So it's, as I say, a pretty basic signal station. I'm not going to hold it up because I know there's other stations that will definitely want to get in touch with you. I want to thank you very much for taking my call, and I'll say best wishes to you and your family. And this is KX3 UP clear on your final.
Yeah, QSL, Bob. Excellent. Great copy. Well, you're doing a super job, so the band seems to be working really well between us tonight, and it's really nice to get on 20 and get a little bit of DX in the log for a change. Not heard too much lately, so hopefully things will stay like this for a while and we'll get a bit more. So all the best, Bob. Thanks for the shout. It's a real pleasure making the contact. Kilo X-Ray 3 Uniform Papa 73, my friend, from Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra.
73, thank you very much.
Anybody else? This is Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra listening. CQ 20 meters, calling 20 meter band, CQDX beaming west, Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra. Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra, standing by. CQDX, CQDX, from Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra. Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra, CQDX, and standing by. CQDX, this is Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra. Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra, CQDX. CQDX from Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra. Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra, CQDX.
Oh, Yankee Kilowatt Sierra. This is November 3, November Uniform Echo, N3 NUE, over.
Yeah, QSL, thank you very much for the shout. November 3, November Uniform Echo. Very good evening from Bradford, Yorkshire, England. My name is Simon, Sierra India Mike Oscar November. Great copy on you. Give you a report on the next over. This is Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra. Back to you, my friend.
Yes, good evening, Simon. How are you this evening? The name here is John, Juliet Oscar Hotel November, and you've got a great signal coming through here today. You're 5'9". I repeat, a 5'9". My QTH is located in the state of Pennsylvania. I am about 45 miles north of the city of Philadelphia, over.
Yeah, roger, super, fantastic, John. I've got about 5'7" off you at the minute, John. You're doing a great job from north of Philadelphia. And fantastic audio, really clear and sounding super in here in the shack, like a 5.9 plus. I'm running 400 watts this side, John, from an Ameritron amplifier with a couple of Russian valves fitted, and it's into a MA5 Cushcraft mini beam pointing directly in your direction. And the radio's an FT1000 Mark V field, the MP, about 20 watts, 30 watts out, with a Heil GM5 studio mic. That's the entire setup this side, but you're sounding BBC quality, John. Great signal. Sounds like we've got a super opening. November 3, November Uniform Echo, Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra. Back to you, John.
Yeah, fine business, Simon. That's a real nice setup you have over there. It really sounds great. Today I have a Yaesu turned on. It's the FTDX 1200, and I am just throwing 100 watts into an off-center fed dipole, which is about 35 feet up. Over.
Yeah, Roger. Well, that's working amazing, the off-center fed dipole. The radio sounds superb, but the dipole's doing a terrific job, and I've used that kind of antenna in the past myself, and when conditions are right, they work really well. So congratulations to you, and your station is doing a great job. It's a real pleasure to get you in the log, and great to get an opening here on 20 meters. John, go ahead.
Okay, Simon. Yes, very, very good, very good. Very nice to meet you today, and I'm sure there's going to be a bunch of other folks that would like to speak with you this afternoon over here at least, and hopefully you'll have some good DX. I wish you a lot of good DX, and once again, very good to meet you, and we'll let you get some of those other contacts in there. I'm going to say 73, Simon. You take care of yourself, and hopefully we'll be able to speak again. This is N3NUE.
Yeah, Roger, N3NUE. I hope to meet you soon again, John. Thank you very much for the call tonight. It's just coming up to 8 o'clock in the evening, and it's been a nice day despite the storms. So hopefully the conditions are going to stay a bit longer than the storms have, and we'll catch you again real soon. November number 3, November United Echo, Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sugar. 73, John, thank you.
Okay, 73, Simon.
QRZ, please. This is Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra. Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra, beaming west. Calling CQDX, beaming west, beaming north, beaming Central America. Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra. Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra. CQDX and standing by.
Tango Romeo Delta.
Tango Romeo Delta. That's the station I've not heard for a while. How are you doing, Martin? You're a great signal. M0YKS.
M0YKS K2TR. I thought it was JKS. I thought it was Mike 0 Japan Kilo Sierra. Over.
Yankee Kilo Sugar. Yankee Kilowatt Sierra. Mike 0 yesterday Kentucky Sierra. And the name's Simon Martin. You're coming through fantastic tonight. I've not heard you for a while, and the band's been very poor, but great opening tonight, and lovely to hear you. Give your report on the next one round. Back to you, Martin. Over.
Okay there, Simon. Yeah, I'm just switching the beam over to you. I should be a little closer right now to you. So I just got home from work and just turned the radio on. Mike 0 Yankee Kilo Sierra K2TRD. You sounding good here? You're 5 and 9 here in upstate New York. Pretty warm outside. We got 6 degrees Celsius out there today, so warm day for us there. Everything is melting like crazy. Over.
Yeah, Roger. Great report. Thank you very much. And you're 5 by 9 plus 10 actually. So you're just nipping a little bit stronger this side. And we've got exactly the same temperature, funnily enough, Martin. 6 degrees Celsius. And we just had 3 storms in a row hit the area over the past week. So we're just getting a little bit of calm at the moment. I believe there could be a next one on its way. We've had some snow. That melted off fairly quickly. But there's quite a lot of flooding locally. Luckily I'm on the hill, so there's not much chance of that for myself. And thankfully the antennas have survived 3 batterings, so we're not doing too bad. But yeah, fantastic copy, and audio superb. Q5 10 dB solid over. I'm running 400 watts full legal limit, and since we last spoke I've changed the amplifier. I've got an M0YKS amplifier now, still running the Russian valves, but this time round fitted into the AL811 M0YKS, so giving me an easy legal output with no difficulties. And the radio is the same, the FT1000 Mark V field, and the Heil GM5 studio microphone with the little Cushcraft MA5B holding up strong in the wind in your direction. K2 TRD M0YKS.
M0YKS, K2TRD. Now, is that the 3-tuber or the 4-tuber there, Simon? Over?
I think it might have been a 3. I'm not sure because now it's got 2 tubes in it. I think it could have been the 3-tube. I'm not, or possibly the 4. I'm not too sure, but it's got the Russian valves in now, which can give it approximately 900 watts if you cranked it up to the full power there, Martin. Roger.
Roger, roger. Yeah, then that must be the 4-tuber, because the 3-tuber there would struggle for something like that. And then, 4 tubes is more balanced type of amplifier than the 3. Yep, I know a lot of people that have the 4-tuber, a lot better. And the 4-tuber there, you could change over to the 74B tubes. You can get them converted and get the 74B tubes there, and they last even longer because you're never going to overdrive them with that amp. So that's one of the ways. If you look it up on the internet, Simon, you'll see where people did that. They changed it over to the bigger tubes, and then the tubes will last you forever if you ever have to replace them if you go that route. Over.
Yeah, Roger. Yeah, I've had a quick look. I've got some. I've got a good friend who's an amp master, and he gave me a little bit of his time last summer, and I learned quite a bit, to be honest, Martin. So I managed to build up the other amplifier which I damaged, the original one which I was using previously, with the GI7B ceramic valves in. So this one I got off him, and he carried out the mod anyway, so it was all done. But I've got 2 now, so I've got a standby amplifier and this one. But I know what you're talking about. I've seen that lovely looking valve, and it doubles up as a heating unit for the shack. So yeah, good stuff. Well, it's early days. I'm just getting into the experimenting of building the amps. Did get myself a belt halfway through it as well, so I've had the electric shock treatment and a little burn off it, so I know how dangerous it can be as well. So obviously it's something you've got to be careful and enjoy and learn and take precautions, but good stuff, and it's great to get you on. Currently I'm on holiday, got a week off. I work at college as a tutor in welding and fabrication, and it's half term, so enjoying a bit of free time. Was supposed to go on a short break down to Wales with the family, but due to the storms and the flooding, we decided to give that a miss, and well, I've just been to the cinema with the kids, watch a movie instead. So now it's a bit of shack time, Martin. K2TRD M0YKS.
M0YKS, K2TRD. Well, Simon, right now you're peaking 5 decibel over S9. You're getting stronger. Usually this time of the day, I don't turn the radio on too much. If I do turn it on, it's only South Africa, VK land, or something of that nature running. South America. Not normally listening into England at this time of the day, so that's telling me springtime is on its way. We get conditions like this in the spring and summertime. When I get home from work, I'm able to talk into the UK. So it's telling me that maybe we're going to have an early spring. You don't have to look at that groundhog like they do here down in Pennsylvania. They look at that groundhog. If they see its shadow, you get another 6 weeks of winter, whatever. Forget about that. All you got to do is turn on the radio and listen for the DS propagation. If you start hearing England coming in, it means you're going to have an early spring. Over.
Yeah, Roger. That sounds like a good way to monitor it. I'm in the same frame of mind exactly, Martin, and I check it all the time to see what the conditions are like, and sometimes have a quick look at the log and see what was going down this time last year, and you sometimes have a recurring pattern as well, quite often. But yeah, it's great to have a bit of hope and get the band on at this time, and I've not heard the States at this time for quite a while, just hearing 1 or 2 signals past few nights, holding up a bit later and then dropping off around about this time, but not as strong as what you are, so that's a fantastic positive result, and you're going over to 20 dB now, so things are getting better rather than worse, so hopefully we might have a little bit of fun tonight, who knows, fingers crossed. I've already managed to work 4 stations from your side of the pond already, which is 4 more than what I have for the past few weeks there, Martin. So things are working well. I wonder what the antenna is. I know you had a new antenna last time I spoke. That's how long ago it is. I presume you've got it all installed, and it sounds like it's working if that's how it's gone there, Martin. K2TRD M0YKS.
M0YKS K2TRD. That thing's still sitting in the garage there. I started putting it together. I bought one of those big hex beams there, the 1840H, but I don't like it, so I threw it in a box. I'm still working the TH7 Yagi. I've been working a lot of 15 meters, so I've been spending most of my time on 15 meters instead of 20. 15 meters has been wide open here around the weekend, so I've been doing a lot of that. A lot of 15 meter work, and wait for 10 meters to come in also and get onto that also. So 15 meters has been where I've been. That's why you haven't heard me too much, Simon, because I've been on 15 quite a bit there. My logbook is full of 15 meter contacts, and 15 meters this weekend was actually stronger than the 20 meter band. I was checking 20 meters out, then I go to 15, and the singles are a lot stronger, 5 to 10 dB stronger than it was on the 20 meter band. It was kind of a strange thing, but that's the way it was working. M0YKS K2TRD, over.
Yeah, QSL K2TRD from M0YKS. And yeah, I've checked the 15 meter band myself also. I've had one or two, and I heard a couple of guys from your way as well, but not so many. Mainly across to Russia and across to Siberia. One or two nice ones in that direction. So hopefully we'll be getting back to your side, and things will get much more active. And I did have one or two bits of fun on 12 meters a little bit, probably about a week ago. But 10 meters has been a little bit weak at my end. Always seem to take a little bit longer here in the north of England for the propagation to start warming up compared to some of the guys further down in the south of the UK, which surprisingly not so far, but makes a big difference. And so we're slowly getting there, Martin, but enjoying it and not always chasing and listening. But most of the active time for myself over the past winter month has been down on 80 and 40. Which has not been so amazing this year. Usually get a lot more DX worked over your side, and again it's been fairly weak compared to previous years. So the cycle's starting, but it's certainly not running on all 8 cylinders. Just running on a couple at the minute, I think, and starting to warm up. So that's at this end anyway. Obviously different reports to different parts of the world, but you're certainly booming through, so sounding great. And all received on the antenna in the box. Well, that's fair enough. I don't think you need to worry, because it's probably the best signal I've heard from across the pond this year, 2022, and obviously even better when it's a friend there. So good to hear you, Martin. Put it back to you, and then we'll see if there's a couple more guys, and then I'm probably gonna have to get these two girls of mine who are in the background playing on their Xbox a little bit of supper and motivated for possibly heading upstairs. This is M0YKS back to K2TRD.
Okay there, Simon. The QSK standby. There was somebody breaking in, and I heard a Delta Lima 6 there before, in between our keys there. People have been shouting, so I guess a lot of people hear me. But this ain't my frequency, so I'm going to QSY up 5 KCs after this. But anyway there, Simon, God bless you and the family, and I'll let you pick up some more while the conditions are so good. You're still 5 dB over S9 here. I'm M0YKS, K2TRD. God bless, my friend, and we're going to QSY up 5 KCs to 286 there and pick up that QSK. I think it might be the same station, that Delta Lima 6. I'm not sure. So 73 Simon, God bless, my friend.
Yeah, thank you so much, Martin, for calling. Really appreciate it. It's been a real pleasure bumping into you, and I hope to do it again real soon. Take care of yourself, stay safe, healthy, and regards to everybody your side. Say hello to the parrots for me, from Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra, and the family. Take care, Martin. Have fun on the band tonight. Good DX, my friend.
73 Simon, and you were 10 dB over S9 that last over. 73 is a QSY.
Yeah, 20 dB for you, solid. Thank you, Martin. 73. Anybody else by the band? This is Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra, beaming west. CQDX, Mexico 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra. CQDX from Mexico 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra. Mexico 0, Yankee Kilo Sugar, CQDX. CQDX, CQDX, Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra. Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra. CQDX, CQDX, Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra. Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sugar, CQDX.
Echo 3 Tango Victoria.
Victor Echo 3 Tango Victoria. Thank you very much for returning my call. This is Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra, and my name is Simon. Sierra India Mike Oscar November. Give you a signal report on the next over. Victor Echo 3 Tango Victor, Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sugar.
Yeah, okay, Simon, fine business. You have 5757, about 45 miles due south from the capital city of Canada, Ottawa. Simon, and the name is John, Juliet, Ocean, Hotel, November, QSL, Simon.
Yeah, QSL, John. Thank you very much for the 5-7. I've got you coming 5-8 and just touching the 5-9. So great signal, John, from your side to Bradford in Yorkshire, Northern England. And the beam's just probably slightly down, maybe. I'm beaming 270 degrees, so a couple degrees down. You're probably just a couple up. So fantastic copy, and really pleased to have a signal to Canada tonight. It's been quite a while since the band's been in such good shape at my end. So great to meet you, John, and very nice sounding station. Victor Echo 3 Tango Victor, Mike 0 Yankee Kilo Sierra.
Mike 0 Yankee Kilo Santiago, Victor Echo 3 Tango Victoria returning. Fine business, Simon. We are just barefoot, 100 whiskey to a 4-element tri-band Yagi by Kushkov, and the older ICOM 737 radio with the dynamic mic QSL.
Yeah, Roger. Well, congratulations to you with the 100 watts, and it's working super for you. A slight QSB on that, dropped down probably to 5-7, but with that microphone, it didn't make the slightest difference. The audio is superb. I'm running 400 watts this side, John, and I've got a couple of Russian valves in line, a couple of GI7B valves out of a Russian tank, and that's into the Meritron amplifier. Slight modification by a friend of mine. And yeah, I'm running an FT 1000MP Mark 5 field, about 30 watts, and a small Cushcraft MA5 beam in your direction with a GM5 Heil Studio mic, which is handheld on a small mini lattice tower, which I made myself with a couple of PTT switches incorporated into the tower. So that's the setup, and had it for quite a while, and it seems to be doing great tonight. Fantastic band conditions, John. Victor Echo 3 Tango Victor, Mike 0 Yankee Kilo Sugar, over.
Yeah, sounding mighty good there, no problem at all. I have no QR Mary or QR Nancy, a little bit of QR speaker on it. So you are from 5.5 to 5.7, sometimes speaking even 5.9, so QS Baker working very hard over here, Simon. Listen, I'm pretty sure that you're going to make a lot of contacts here to North America. The band is open, I think. So I'll say 73, stay safe, and we got you in the QR at long. QSL?
Yeah, Roger, Roger. Well, it's really nice to have met you tonight, John, and great to get a contact your side. Thanks for the shout, John, and hopefully we'll make contact again soon. Victor Echo 3 Tango Victor, this is Mike 0 Yankee Kilo Sugar. Enjoy the evening. Good DX, my friend. Take care. Bye-bye.
Thanks very much. Bye-bye.
QRZ, please. Mike 0 Yankee Kilo Sierra. M0YKS, standing by.
This is KD1OHG.
KD1OHG, is that correct? Oscar Hotel Golf, over. Roger, Roger, sorry about that. Kilo Echo 1, Ocean Henry Golf. Mike 0 Yankee Kilo Sierra. My name is Simon, and I'm located in the north of England. You're about a 5 and 4, 54 at my end there, go ahead.
Yeah, you're about a 5.5 here. Stay home. Rig, I got about 40 watts going out. Watch my voice. So, good copy. I haven't really reached across the ocean. I haven't been on the radio for quite a while, so M0YKS.
Yeah, Roger, well, for 40 watts and not talking so loud, you're working super, so congratulations. And it's a very nice band tonight. No noise for a change, and only get a bit of background noise. but fortunately this evening it's clear, so I'm not sure whether I have a neighbour with a plasma TV or that kind of interference and she's out, but I'm not complaining, hi. But yeah, you're doing a super job. You came up to 5 by 4 with 40 watts is amazing, so it's nice to make contact with you tonight, and I'm running 400 watts, so that's the comparison. Kilo Echo 1 Oscar Henry Golf. This is Mike 0 Yankee Kilo Sierra near Bradford in Yorkshire, England. My name is Simon, over. Yeah, is it Kilo Bravo 1 Ocean Henry Golf, is that right? Kilo Baker 1 Oscar Hotel Golf, is that correct?
So, M0YKS, KV10HE. Thank you for the contact, and luck with your...
Yeah, my pleasure. Sorry about the mistake of the call. I got it in the end. And thank you very much indeed for calling in. Do appreciate it. It's a bit of a combination of my bad eyesight, I think, and a little bit of QSB. Hi. 73, my friend, and we'll meet again, I'm sure. Kilo Bravo 1 Oscar Henry Golf, Mike 0 Yankee Kilo Sugar. Good night, thank you.
Yes, 73.
Whiskey 4 Tango Whiskey X-ray.
Whiskey 4 Tango Whiskey X-ray. That's a very nice signal. Good evening. My name is Simon, and the call is Mike 0 Yankee Kilo Sierra. Over.
Very good, Simon. Very good. Mike 0 Yankee Kilo Sierra. From Whiskey 4 Tango Whiskey X-ray. Simon, you're 5 by 7. Your report 5 by 7. 6 miles, South Carolina. 6 miles, South Carolina. Over.
Yeah, thank you very much for 5 by 7. You're sounding beautiful, my end. You're about 5'8" to 9, but sounding like a 5'9" plus. Really crystal clear sounding audio and fantastic quality signal to Bradford in Yorkshire. I'm running about 400 watts this side and a small Pushcraft MA beam, mini beam, pointing in your direction. Just come back with a name, my friend, over.
Very good, Simon. Very good. Well, you're doing a real good job with the 400 watts. And I think you said a hex beam. My name is Jack, Juliet Alpha Charlie Kilowatt, and my station here is a Yaesu FT990. I'm running 1,000 watts, running an alpha amplifier, putting out 1,000 watts, and the antenna is a high gain TH11, and that's on top of a 150-foot tower, and I'm in the foothills of the Blue Ridge Mountains. The station here, Simon, Mike 0 Yankee Kilo Sierra, high copy, Whiskey 4 Tango Whiskey X-ray.
Yeah, fantastic copy, Jack. Whiskey 4 Tango Whiskey X-ray, lovely signal, and you came to 5'9" plus from the Blue Ridge Mountains, so super conditions, and your amplifier is sounding real nice at my end, with a real quality transmission. Beautiful audio. So super job, full marks out of 10 from my side here in the north of England, and I'm having a real blast tonight. It's a real pleasure to catch a decent opening here on 20 meters around about this time. It's not often I catch this conditions. It's been pretty poor lately. So fingers crossed it's the start of things to come, and we'll be making plenty more noise across your way. But tonight it's exceptionally good. Nice to meet you, Jack. I'll see if there's anybody else before I have to put these two noisy girls in the background on their Xbox up to bed with some supper. It's near getting on that time this side, so trying to get a few in as fast as I can before I get the orders to get the milk and cookies out. So back to you for another final, and we'll see if anyone else is around. Lovely to meet you, Jack. Whiskey 4 Tango Whiskey X-ray, Mike 0 Yankee Kilo Sugar.
Very, very good. Very good, Simon. Mike 0 Yankee Kilo Sugar. Whiskey 4 Tango Whiskey X-ray. Certainly my pleasure to make a contact with you. Your wonderful station you have there. Doing a very, very good job. So thank you, Simon. And 7-3 Mike 0 Yankee Kilowatt Sierra. from Whiskey 4 Tango Whiskey X-Ray. 7-3s, bye-bye.
My pleasure, Jack. Really nice for you to call me, and really great to have met you. I'm not sure if we've worked before, but I certainly hope we work again. Have a great week ahead and a lovely remaining day. Good DX, my friend. Take care. Whiskey 4 Tango Whiskey X-Ray, Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra. All the best, Jack.
7-3s.
November Alpha 2, Alpha November.
Uniform, Mike, Quebec.
There's a couple of stations in there. I'll just go for the November 4, I think it is, first, if that's okay. Go ahead. No, I must have heard wrong. Go again. QRZ, M0YKS, Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sugar.
November Alpha 2, Alpha November.
That's the station I heard. November Alpha 2, Alpha November. Sorry, I got it wrong. I did hear you, recognise your voice there on the second call, but there was another guy calling at the same time, so I got my wires crossed. Nice to meet you, my friend. My name is Simon, and I'm located in Yorkshire. I'm near the city of Bradford, and it's a great opening here on 20 tonight, beaming across in your direction. I think it's about a 5.5 to 5.7 report. I'll clarify on the next over. November Alpha 2, Alpha November, Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra.
QSL, just had about an S9. Very good signal over here in New York. We're located in the central part of the state of New York, near Fairfield, New York. And the name is Bert Boston, England, Radio, Texas. Again, you're 5-9, over.
Yep, thank you for 5-9. Just give me the name again. I missed the name. I do apologise.
The name here is Bert Boston, England, Radio, Texas. Bert is the name, over.
Yeah, Roger, Bert. Thanks very much. I just missed it a little bit. I've got my 2 daughters in the background, and they're on the Xbox, making a bit of noise occasionally with excitement. So you know what it's like, Bert. But they're just staying out of trouble, so I ain't complaining. Hi. But yeah, lovely to meet you tonight from New York. And a solid 5.7, maybe a little bit stronger with the QSB kicking in. But that's the best conditions I've had for a few weeks, so I'm really pleased with the opening we're getting. And the signals are sounding just great no matter what the strength is. They're all sounding like 5x9. Running 400 watts this side, Bert, and a small beam from Cushcraft in your direction with the Heil GM5 studio microphone and an old FD1000 Mark V field MP, the AC radio. November Alpha 2, Alpha November. This is Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sugar, over.
Okay, the radio is 7851. It's fairly new. I've only had it about a week. But it seems to work very well so far. So thank you for the contact, and we'll see you in the spring. November Alpha 2, Alpha November.
Yeah, certainly look forward to it. Thanks for the shout, Bert. Have a great remaining afternoon, evening, and thanks again, and we'll work here, like you say, in the springtime. November Alpha 2, Alpha November, Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sugar. Bye-bye now. QRZ, please. Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra, M0YKS. CQDX 20 meter band calling Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra, Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sugar, calling DX. CQDX, Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra, Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra, CQDX, and standing by. CQDX, Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra, Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sugar, CQDX. CQ, calling DX. This is Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra, Mexico 0, Yankee Kilo Sugar, Mike number 0, Yankee Kentucky Sierra, CQDX. QRZ, please. Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra. The station with Lima. Go ahead. I've got a Whiskey Japan Lima. Is that Kilowatt 2 Whiskey Japan Lima? Over. Roger, Roger, a little bit quiet on me, but I'm hearing you there. About a 5 and 2. I might slightly be down on frequency on me, but I'm hearing you 5 by 2. My name is Simon. I'm located in the north part of England. My call is Mike 0 Yankee Kilo Sugar 5 by 2. Back to Kilo 2 Whiskey Japan Lima, over. Yeah, you're a little bit light on me. I heard you say my name and QSL and got coming back, but a little bit on the light side. But thank you very much for the call. And it's a little bit of a tricky one, but you made the contact across to Bradford in Yorkshire, Northern England. I'll get you again when the conditions are slightly stronger. And thanks very much indeed, my friend. Kilowatt 2 Whiskey Japan Lima, Mike 0 Yankee Kilo Sugar 73. All the best. Good one. Yeah, thank you, my friend. All the best, and it's great to make the contact. Take care. Bye-bye. QRZ, please. Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra. Whiskey Alpha 4. Whiskey Alpha 4. Go again.
Whiskey Alpha 4, Bravo, Radio X-ray.
Is that Whiskey Alpha 4, Florida November X-ray, over?
Negative. Whiskey Alpha 4, Bravo, Radio X-ray. Bravo, Radio X-ray.
Yeah, Roger, Roger. Bravo, Radio X-ray. Got you in there that time. Thank you very much. You're 5 and 5. 5 and 5. My name is Simon, over.
Roger, Simon. Good to work you across the pond. You are about a 5, 7 to 5 times here now.
Yeah, Roger, that's great. Well, I'm running 400 watts on the small Pushcraft MA5 beam. Thank you very much for 5 by 9. Really nice to meet you today, and lovely to get you in the log. There's a couple more calling, so I'll keep it short if you don't mind, and I hope to meet you again real soon. Whiskey Alpha 4, Bravo, Radio X-ray. Take care and good DX, my friend, from Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sugar. 73, QRZ, please. Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra. Papa Alpha, go ahead. Station with Papa Alpha. Go again, you're a little bit light. I'll try to pull you out. Papa Alpha, over. Kilo Delta 2, Whiskey Papa Alpha. No problem on that one. I've got a bit of QSV, but you came up there. I'll give you 5 by 4, 54. My name's Simon, and I'm located in Northern England, near the city of Bradford in Yorkshire. Kilo Delta 2, Whiskey Papa Alpha, Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sugar, over.
Very good. You're 5354. You're 5354. New Jersey, 10 miles south of New York City by the coast.
Yeah, QSL New York City. Great to get you in the log, and thanks for 5-4. And lovely opening tonight. Hopefully we'll get quite a few more over the up-and-coming weeks. Thanks for the shout, my friend. Happy DX, and have a lovely evening. From Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sugar 73.
73, Simon. Good night.
Good night, my friend. Thank you. Anybody else? This is Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra, standing by. QRZDX, beaming west, Mexico 0, Yankee Kilowatt Sugar, listening. CQ 20 meters, Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra, Mexico 0, Yankee Kilo Sugar, standing by.
Norway 3, Sugar, Japan, London.
Wow, nice signal. Norway 3, Sugar, Japan, London. Very good signal. Thank you very much, my friend. The name this side is Simon, Sierra, India, Mike, Oscar, November. And we're near Bradford in Yorkshire, Northern England. I'll give you a proper report on the next one. Norway 3, Sierra, Japan, Lima, Mike 0, Yankee Kilo, Sierra.
Okay, Simon, very good. My name is Gary, Golf Alpha Radio Yankee. I live in the panhandle of West Virginia. If you ever look at a stateside map, It's where Virginia, Maryland, Pennsylvania, and West Virginia all come together. Go ahead.
QSL, I'll take a look on that one. I've logged everybody tonight, and I'll upload to QRZ and have a look and see who's who and all the rest of it. But yeah, great, Gary. Well, all I can say is wherever it is in West Virginia, it's certainly got a good aerial radiation part of the world, because you're a fantastic 5x9. Very strong signal indeed. Quite a few guys a bit weaker, but you're solid 5.9 coming in with great sounding audio, Gary. So wonderful copy from your side. And right now it's coming, let's have a look, it's 25 minutes before 9 in the evening local time. Usually the band's dead as a doornail, so we're really pleased to be getting some DX across the pond. November number 3, Sierra, Japan, Lima, Mike 0, Yankee Kilo, Sugar, over.
Yeah, interesting. Well, very good. Very good for that time of evening over there for you. It might be starting to really open there and give us a whole lot more time together. But you're nice 5 and 8, solid 5 and 8 here. And that I'm running at about a kilowatt through a Maritron 1306 through a Yaesu FTDX 3000. 5-element Mosley at a little bit over 10 meters on top of a mountain here, guys.
Wow, well, it's working well. That mountain's certainly going well for you, and the equipment's doing a super fine job. This side I've got also an Amiratron amplifier with a couple of Russian valves replacing the original ones, and I'm putting out 400 watts UK legal limit into a MA5 Cushcraft mini beam pointing to the west. And the transceiver is an FT1000 Mark V field MP with about 30 watts drive, 25 to 30 watts. A Heil GM5 studio mic is the microphone, and that's the setup. Fairly basic, had it quite a while, but still working okay for me, Gary, and especially tonight there. But yeah, wonderful pipeline between us, and I think the band possibly getting better as the evening goes on, so that's a real pleasant surprise. We've had 3 storms straight after each other over the past few days, and we have got another one supposedly entering possibly tomorrow or the day after. But so far conditions well, seem okay antenna wise, no great difficulties, just a bit of local flooding, but I'm on a hill also, so it's just down at the bottom of the valley, far away from me. Hi. So back to you, and we'll see if anybody else is around, and then it's I've got to get my 2 daughters some supper and settle down for the evening. November 3, Sierra, Japan, Lima. This is Mike 0, Yankee Kilo, Sugar, over.
Mike 0, Yankee Kilo, Sugar, into SL. Very good. Oh yeah, unfortunately, they're going to be upset that they got to go to bed, but I know how it is. I raised enough of them. Wife and I, we have 34 grandchildren right now. Our 35th will be here in June sometime. There's a mixture of grandchildren, great-grandchildren, and great-great-grandchildren. So they're all mixed in there, and I couldn't tell you who's who. I know the names and that, but I couldn't tell you ages. The wife's good at that stuff, not me. But yeah, the field, the Mark V field is a good radio. I used to have the regular Mark V, but this radio here I had to upgrade a little bit just to try it out, see how it's working out. But very good. You take care, and I'll let you go, and hope to catch you another day. These conditions keep up, it'll be nice. So take care and have a great evening. November 3, Sugar, Japan, London. We'll be off and clear.
Roger, Gary, excellent. Thank you very much indeed. It's been a real pleasure meeting you this evening, my side, and I hope all goes smoothly for the rest of the day, your side. And fantastic signal, great sounding station, and I'm sure now that things are starting to get back to normal, propagation-wise, we'll meet up again real soon. I really hope so. So thanks for the shout, my friend, and just for your interest, I'm making a quick video. What's it so quick? It's been about 45 minutes long. I'll probably upload it to my channel when I've finished. I'm just doing a bit of experimental stuff and recording the QSOs. So it will be on my YouTube channel if you want to check out how great you do sound at my end. And it'll be there permanent, so there's no rush. All the best, my friend. Thanks for the QSO. November 3, Sierra, Japan, Lima. Mike 0, Yankee Kilowatt Sierra near Bradford, wishing you best 73 and good DX.
Okay, my friend. Take care. Have a pleasant evening. M0YKS.
Thank you very much. QRZ, please. Anybody else? Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra.
Kilo 5, Kilo Charlie, portable 2.
The portable 2, Kilo 5. Go again, please.
Yes, the call is Kilo 5, Kilo Charlie, K5, KKC. We're running portable from Long Island, New York. Over.
Yeah, Roger. Great to get Long Island, New York in the log tonight, and portable station is working very well indeed for you there. Kilo 5, Kilo Charlie / portable 2. This is Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra. Operator name is Simon, Sierra, India, Mike Oscar, Norway, and I'm in the north of England near Bradford and Leeds in Yorkshire. I've got a 5 and 5 report coming back to you. Kilo 5, Kilo Charlie / P2. This is Mike 0, Yankee Kilowatt Sierra, over.
Mike 0, Yankee Kilowatt Sierra, Kilo 5, Kilo portable 2. Fine business, Simon. A lot of QSD on my end. Anywhere from 5.5 to 5.7. On my end. Nice signal coming out of the north of England. Our home QTH is in Houston, Texas, and we're up here with family. Set up a little FT891 this morning, small power supply, and a 63-foot end-fed half-wave. Back to you.
Wow, well, it's working really well. Just give me the name. I missed the name, over.
Oh, sorry. The name is Rick. India Charlie Kilo, over.
Yeah, no problem, Rick. Great copy. So big congratulations on the portable setup. You've done a fine job. It's working super for you. So it's a wonderful thing to get a good signal out when you're playing around like that. I do enjoy that kind of stuff. I do quite a lot of mobiling. I'm active most days from my van as I'm driving to work. This week I'm on holiday, so got myself in the shack. But yeah, lovely job, Rick. Congratulations, and great signal from Long Island to Bradford, Yorkshire. And I'm running 400 watts this side with a small pushcraft MA5 beam pointing in your direction, Rick. Kilo 5, Kilo Charlie / portable 2, Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra, 55 with a bit of QSB, over.
Kilo Sierra, K5, KKC returning. Fine business coming in on the 400 watts. That's your legal limit over there, I know. Where's the last time I checked this antenna at the home QTH at this rig, I put in about 87 watts. So I'm glad I'm making it across the pond. I don't get many opportunities to make it across the pond from the home QTH, being that I live in an HOA and have to use compromised antennas. Back to you.
Yeah, Roger, no, you're certainly doing a fine job. And it's great when you can do the installation work and build the antennas and get these kind of results. So congratulations, Rick. And if you want to check out my QRZ page, if you make a note of it when you get back and get some spare time, there will be a video uploaded to the YouTube channel, which is linked from my page under, I'll probably entitle it 20 meter HF something, whatever. You'll see it, it'll be the latest video, and you're on it there, Rick. So you can check out the quality of the reception. A slight bit of QSB, but perfectly readable, like a 5.9 copy. So strongest I'm getting is a 5.5, and then it's anywhere between that and a 0 and a 1 and a 2 and the rest in between. Kilo 5, Kilo Charlie, portable 2. Great to meet you, Rick. Back to you for a final, and look forward to working you again from Mike 0, Yankee Kilowatt Sierra.
We'll catch you further down the log. Good DX.
Yeah, thanks, Rick. All the best to you, my friend. Thanks for the shout. Enjoy the portable activation, and hope you work plenty of DX. I'm sure you will. We'll look forward to working you again. 73.
73. Have a great evening.
You too, my friend. Thank you. Anybody else? This is Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra in the north of England. Listening. Is it November Alpha 2, November Alpha, over? Yeah, QSL, Ricky. November Alpha 2, November Alpha. Great to meet you tonight, Ricky. Thanks a lot for, I think you said 5-7. I've not got a massive signal. You're a bit light on me, probably about a 5 and 2. But I'm hearing you there, Ricky. And it's nice to meet you, I think, for the first time. November Alpha 2, November Alpha. Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sugar, a 5x2 in Bradford, Yorkshire, England. Over.
Could you give me the call sign one more time? Call sign one more time?
Yeah, no problem. It's Mexico 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra. Mexico 0, Yellow Kentucky Sugar. Mike 0, Yankee Kilowatt Sierra. Roger. M0YKS, Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sugar. Is that a QSL, Ricky? Sure, I lost him. Did you get a copy on the call, Rick? November Alpha 2, November Alpha. Mike 0, Yankee Kilowatt Sierra. Roger. Yeah, Roger, Roger, no problem. Sometimes it's worth the struggle. Congratulations, doing a great job, and we'll look forward to working you again, my friend. November Alpha 2, November Alpha, 73, all the best from Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sugar. QLZ, this is Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra, listening.
Kilo Alpha 2, Yankee Romeo Alpha, parked on the air.
Parks on the air station, Kilo Alpha 2, go again. The Kilo Alpha 2, give me a call again, please.
Thank you, thank you. Kilo Alpha 2, Kilo Alpha 2, Yankee Romeo Alpha, Yankee Romeo Alpha, QSL?
Yeah, Roger, Roger, Kilo Alpha 2, Yankee Romeo Alpha, KA2YRA. Nice to meet you this evening. This is Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sugar, operator named Simon, located in Yorkshire, England, and I've got a good copy of 5x7, 57, parks on the air station. Great to work you, over. QSB. Yeah, Roger, a bit of QSB on that, but I heard that you were in the State Park of New York City. That's fantastic. Thanks for 5x9. Got a bit of power on this side, the full United Kingdom limit of 400 watts. And it's an MA5 Cushcraft mini beam in your direction. Just give me the name, go ahead.
Yeah, my name is Steve, Sierra Tango, Echo Victor Echo, only about 100 watts. Looking at the lake here, and it is a beautiful day out.
Yeah, fantastic, Steve. Well, it sounds great place to operate from. Sounds like a lovely view, and feed the birds from us guys here in England. Hi. And we've got the darkness this side. Local time is 12 minutes before 9 o'clock in the evening. We've had the 3 storms, one after another, but right now we've got a very calm evening, so the band's in great shape, Steve. Lovely to work you with the portable Parks on the Air operation station, and thank you very much indeed. I'm making a quick video for YouTube. If you want to check out, I'll upload it after the QSOs. Kilo Alpha 2, Yankee Radio Alpha, Mexico 0, Yankee Kilowatt Sugar. Back to you, Steve.
Thank you, I really look for the video. Mexico 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra, Kilo Alpha 2, Yankee Romeo Alpha, 730, thank you.
My pleasure, Steve. Have a great afternoon, evening, and hope you make lots of contacts. I'm sure you will. You're doing a super job. KA2YRA. All the best, my friend. M0YKS. Thank you. Okay, I'll take a couple more, then I'm going to have to clear and do my dad duties. This is Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra, listening. QLZ on 20 meters from Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra, Northern England, standing by. Okay, this will be my final call. Mexico 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra. Mexico 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra, listening. Nothing heard. Thank you very much indeed to all the stations that called tonight. And good night from Yorkshire, England. Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra, now QSY. The frequency's clear. 73 all. So yeah, guys, thanks very much. Enjoyable session. with some good propagation on 20 meters. Live from the shack with M0YKS, DX Dog. Catch you back real soon. Thanks for watching the video.